Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your blog feed via RSS to LinkedIn with Zapier step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier's website. Log into your Zapier account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once you are logged in, click on Make a Zap to start creating a new automation. In the search bar, type RSS and select the RSS by Zapier app. Choose the New Feed Item Trigger option. Next, you'll need to enter your blog feed URL. After entering your feed URL, click on Test Trigger to ensure it fetches your latest blog posts. Check that the test returns the latest items from your blog feed. If successful, click Continue to move to the next step. Now, search for the LinkedIn app in the Actions section. Select the Create Share Update action event. Connect your LinkedIn account by following the prompts. Choose to share the update on your personal profile or LinkedIn page. In the message field, map the data from your RSS feed, such as the title and link of the blog post. Customize your message if needed. Next, click on Test and Continue to check if the LinkedIn connection works properly. If the test is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Finally, give your Zap a name and turn it on to activate the automation. Your blog feed is now set up to automatically share new posts to LinkedIn via Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.